Turn any RSS feed into crisp AI generated email summaries in minutes. In this video, we'll build a complete n8n workflow that reads a feed, fetches each article, summarizes it with OpenAI powered agent, converts it to clean HTML, and emails the result. Let's build it step by step. The prerequisites for this are an n8n instance, OpenAI API credentials, Gmail OAuth 2 setup. If you don't have a Gmail OAuth 2 yet, you can just add it as a credential and complete the Google consent flow. For this, you will require to get an API key from Google console. We'll use a cost-effective model for a quick summary from OpenAI to perform this. The first step will be creating a new workflow. We'll begin with the manual trigger so we can test on demand before scheduling. We can also add an automatic trigger which will work automatically at a specific time. Next, we need to add the RSS read node which will point to the bleeping computers feed. This will return the items with title, link, and metadata so we can process on it. For testing purposes and to keep the processing fast, we need to add a limiter, which is a limit block provided by n8n, using which we can limit the responses to just one or two just to dry run this. For each item, we'll need to add an HTTP request node, which we can add directly, and we need to attach the link from the RSS feed to this HTTP request, which will return the HTML data. Next, we need to use the AI agent module, which we will attach the OpenAI chat model to. Next, we need to provide a prompt to the model, like provide a summary for the blog post and make sure to attach the JSON data from the HTTP request so that it can work on it. We will also add a system message which will define what the purpose of this agent will be. We'll just pick a cost effective chat model like GPT-5 Nano. Now we can run the AI agent block and it will process the raw HTML and extract the details and provide us a summary for each link. The result will be a markdown text. Next we need to convert this markdown text to an HTML format, so we can use the markdown to HTML block which is provided by n8n. So after we add this, we need to bind the proper keys, and this will convert the markdown to a HTML format output. We'll just consider temp mail to send the mail right now, and we can use the RSS item as title or subject for the email, and we can use the HTML summary from the converted markdown as the body of the email. Now if we run this, it will run automatically, and even if there are multiple entries, it will send multiple emails for each entry. If we refresh the template, we can see that the mails are received now, and we can consider this workflow to be complete. We can also create a simple database for this, where we can add everything from the response to that database for each individual link, and convert this to a detailed summary as well, where there will be a single mail containing all the newslet all the items from the processing. This is a complete RSS to email AI pipeline in n8n. Swap the feed, tweak the prompt, and schedule it as per your need. If this was helpful, like and subscribe, and drop questions for improvements in the comments.